Welcome to the Grandview Gardens Construction Progress Update, brought to you by Zaya Properties Limited. So right here, I'm standing at the proposed indoor basketball court. Let me take you on a journey through the creation of this exceptional 3- and 4-bedroom apartments in the heart of Parklands. As you can see, our team of builders and craftsmen have been dedicated to the task, bringing Grandview Gardens to life. From its humble beginnings to its current grandeur on the 13th floor, this project has been a labor of love. Our 3- and 4-bedroom apartments are spacious, ultra-modern and designed with their DSQ to provide you with the ultimate living experience. Beyond the walls of our apartment, Grandview Gardens is nestled in a serene and tranquil neighborhood on Mwambao Road, off 6 Parklands Avenue. Starting at just 20 million Kenyan shillings, call us and secure a unit. Contact us at 0704 111 666.